Hello YouTube, Jedamon 2005 here with a review of the Kamen Rider GO Capsule, Grease Blizzard, and Garren ride watches. Right? We got more watches. Lots more watches. You thought we were like close to done? No. So these guys are part of Capsule Set 9, which we have a pamphlet for right here. Right? The pamphlet gives you, in fact, the pamphlets are not what they used to be. Right? They used to show you the lineup. Now they just tell you the lineup, right? So that's a thing. So the lineup in set 9 is Kiva, Blade, Grease Blizzard, Garren, and then a metallic Kiva and a metallic Blade. So of course, we did DX, Kiva, and Blade. We don't care about those guys. We're coming here. We want Grease Blizzard. We want Garren. We have seen regular Grease, Premium Bandai exclusive. And we saw Blade, right? Because that's where Garren comes from. So his is going to say Blade. His will say Grease. So let's take a look up close. This is the Grease Blizzard face. I love it. It's got the light blue, like the ice, got the black. Right? We see V052. That's going to give you Grease. There's the rails. V052. Next up is Garren. So we got the kind of gray and the maroon that matches him. There's Garren's face right there. V036, which will give you Blade, and there is the QR code. Let's go ahead. We're going to pull the tabs out. Right watches. Look, get the sounds. Grease Blizzard. Right, so Gekito Shinka, we heard that with the Blizzard Knuckle, the Frozen Soul Fire. Zero do no hono de toketsu funsai, freezing and crushing with 0-degree flames. Grease Blizzard. Okay. I mean glacial. All right, so now let's get Garren in here. Ride Watchy. Garren. Okay. So, Ju de Tatakao, Daya no Trump Rider wa. Right? So, the Diamond Trump Rider, Daya no Trump Rider, right? That's that part. Who fights for the gun, Ju de Tatakao, is Garren. Right? So, let's get the rest of his sounds. Almost forgot. There we go. Okay. Okay, so that's him. So let's go ahead. We're going to do Grease Blizzard. And we're going to put it on the GQ driver. All right. Which I don't think Okay, I did not convert that properly. So let's do that over, which I thought it did. There we go. Okay. Something funny happened. And it keeps happening. We hear the Blizzard Knuckle, Gekito Shinka, and then Blizzard. There we go. Of course, the button does not actually work. And Glacial Time Break, right? Because we did a glacial finish as Grease Blizzard. Okay. And now, let's convert it back. Ride watch. And convert this one to... That one worked faster. Blue already came up for Blade. All right. So we hear Garren, and then we hear the Garren Buckles, post-transformation noise. Not a whole lot exciting there, right? Those belts were very simple back then. We did see 2004 come up. We saw Blade's name come up. And then Burning Time Break, which I feel like it has something to do with his finisher. I really don't remember what it is. I know he did. He had that whole gun thing going on. But yeah, I don't remember what his finishers were. But something with the gun. I don't know. So that is it for these. Let's convert this back into Ride Watch mode. So Garren and Grease Blizzard. So that's these two Ride Watches. Definitely get them if you like those riders, or if you just want to get more character watches from those particular shows. But they are pretty neat. I do like them. So yeah, I mean that's kind of it for these. Probably more watches coming up next. I haven't really made a schedule too definite yet. So until next time, check out the podcast. Original RR at ridersrangeandrambles.com and RR the streets at RR Infinity. So check out, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.